Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to show you how I did these super easy twists in about 6 hours. And if you have someone help you, you can definitely cut that time in half. So to start, you're going to want to make sure that you have your hair blow dried. It just makes your hair blend in with your twist hair better, and it also is easier to work with. I'm going to get a section of my hair. And then I'm going to make sure that I moisturize my hair. I'm going to use a moisturizer and a butter just to seal in that moisture to keep my hair conditioned while I'm wearing it in the style. After I put my product on my hair, I'm just going to very gently detangle it, comb through it once or twice, and then I'm going to braid it. Now, I'm only going to braid it about an inch or an inch and a half down, and then I'm going to start to twist my hair the rest of the way. Twisting is just easier. I just do the braid at first to make sure that my hair secures the twist hair that I'm going to add, but after I have a good amount of braid in my hair, it's easier to just twist, and it also makes it easier to take your hair down when you're ready to take this style out. And so I usually leave about an inch or 2 inches on the bottom. I don't twist it all the way, and you can definitely only twist your hair halfway too if your hair is a certain length. So I'm going to be using this Janet Collection Afro Twist braid hair, and I pretty much use 1.5 pieces, and then on the top front portion of my hair I use 2 pieces, and you're just going to get however much hair you're going to use, and you're going to sort of make them uneven on the sides. You're going to push one side further down on like the right, and then one side further down on the left with the other twist. Hope that makes sense. And so now I'm going to get my crochet needle, and I'm going to push it through with it open, and then I'm going to take my crochet hair and I'm going to twist it so that it fits into the crochet needle and is easy to pull through. So you're just going to put your hair in the crochet needle, and then you're going to close the clasp and pull it through. All right, so once you have it pulled through a little bit, you're going to pull one side all the way through, and then you're ready to twist. Now I'm going to use some of this pomade just because the hair is a little rough looking, and I wanted to add a little shine and just sort of blend my hair and the crochet hair together. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my fingertips and then start to twist my hair. And so because I did sort of taper the twist hair, it gets smaller as you twist down, which is more flattering. It's more of a flattering look. So just to show you again what I do, I'm just going to push the crochet needle through my hair, and then I'm going to put my hair through it, close the clasp, and pull my hair through. So easy, so easy. And then you're just going to twist your hair up. All done. You can see the hair here. So what I'm going to do is just part my hair through the middle, and any twists that I think are a little too long and standing out too much, I'm just going to cut those down. And then I wanted to twist the ends this time. So I have these white perm rods. I'm going to take the end, loop it around the rod once or twice, and then I'm going to roll the rod up my hair. This is a really secure way to get the rod to get your hair to be secure on the rod and the rod to stay and your hair not to unravel. And then I'm going to dip my ends in the boiling hot water. I actually dip my twists in the boiling hot water one by one. And yeah, so And so this is the next morning. This is how I wear my hair at night when I go to sleep. I just have in this high bun. And so now I'm just going to sort of do some to my edges, and I'm not going to use actual like styling gel or edge control. I'm just going to use some aloe vera gel and some oil. And any kind of oil really works, honestly, for me. So yeah, I use oil and aloe vera gel when I can, and then I'm going to wrap my edges. And after that, this is what it looks like. Voila! So cute, so easy. And like I said, this took me about 6 hours. And if you have someone helping you, you can definitely cut that time down a lot. Like, get your hair done in like 4 or 3 hours for sure. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get to try this style out. If you have a question, leave them down below, and comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.